All right, this is lesson 2.5. It's on percent error or percent change. The proportion that you have here is just a little bit different. You're used to is over of equals percent over 100, or part over whole equals percent over 100. Notice we have on this one the amount of change or the amount of error over the actual amount is percent change or error over 100. So generally the difference is with this amount of change or error, to find the amount of change, there's usually a subtraction problem here. So you need to know the difference of what we expected it to be and what it ended up being for error, or what it was and what it now is, but we're always comparing it to what it actually is. Okay? But there's generally that subtraction problem, which is the difference here. All right, so let's try just a couple problems with that. So 30 inches changes to 24 inches. So once again, let's set up our proportion. 30 inches changes to 24 inches. So I'm going to do a subtraction problem here to figure out how much it changed. 30 minus 24 is 6. So the amount of change is 6. This started as a 30-inch item, whatever it was. So 6 is the amount of change. 30 is the actual amount, or the original amount that it started as. And now this will help us find our percent change. We also want to talk about whether it went increase or decrease. Obviously it decreased. So when I multiply 6 times 100 and divide by 30, I'm going to find 20%. This means it went down by 20%, or a 20% decrease. All right, second one, $126 to $150. You might notice it's an increase, right? And so set it up again. All right. Once again, I do a subtraction problem. 150 minus 126 is 24. So it changed by $24. The original price is, or the original amount was $126. So now I have the amount of change over the actual original amount, and we're going to be changing that to our percent change right here. So multiply, divide, and you're going to get 19. And so this was a 19% increase this time because it went up. So 126 to 150 is a 19% increase. All right, Jesse estimated 10 pounds. The cat actually weighed 13.75 pounds. So we start out with our percent proportion, but it's going to be once again a percent change or percent error. This is a percent error. She estimated 10. The cat actually weighed 13.75 pounds. So once again, I'm going to be doing a subtraction problem. 13.7 minus 10 is 3.75. She errored by 3.75 pounds. The actual weight isn't what happened first. We think the estimate happened first, but it's not about what happened first, it's what the actual thing is. So we have to compare that to 13.75. Excuse me. So we're ready to multiply and divide. Once again, amount of error over the actual amount, right? And percent error over 100. And if you'll think about that, we always label this. The top is error, right? This would be the whole, or the entire thing. The 100% of what the cat actually weighed was 13.75. She errored by 3.75 compared to that. So this would be our percent that she errored by. So I multiply and divide, and I'm going to find out that that would be a 27% error.